Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to record slideshow presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint 365. So in Microsoft 365, you can record your presentation easily. And there's an added feature that is you can actually view your notes now while recording, which is very much helpful in giving presentations. So first, you need to open Microsoft PowerPoint. So you can easily do that by typing PowerPoint in your search bar and then double click the app. So to make a new presentation, just click blank presentation. So now you are ready to create your own Microsoft PowerPoint slideshow, and then you can do so by adding more content to your PowerPoint or to your presentation by clicking the new slide icon, and then until you are now satisfied with your presentation and now you're ready to record. So now if your presentation is complete and you are now ready to record, you can just go to slideshow. After that, go to record slideshow. Then choose between the two options. So if you want to record recordings to the very start of the presentation, then you have to click record from beginning. But if you want to record specific narrations to specific slides, then just go to record from current slide. So as you can see in here, this is what will appear if you click enter. So this will show in your screen. To begin recording, just hit this record button or this red button to start recording. So you can also adjust your camera and microphone by looking at these icons. So this is for microphone and this is for camera. So if you don't want your face to be shown, then you can just click this until you can see this camera icon with a bar sign, and then just keep the microphone open so you can keep on recording the audio. So if you're satisfied with your recording, then you can stop the recording by hitting this button, the square button. And then if you want to listen to your output, you can just then click this triangle or the replay button. So if you didn't like your recording and you want to record one more time, you need to click clear for you to erase your recording. You can clear the recording for this particular slide, or you can clear the recordings for the whole presentation. You can just choose. So Microsoft 365 offers new features such as this one. So if you click notes, then you'll be able to display your notes in here. So you can just see the notes while recording, which is very helpful. Another important feature is the use of pointers. So you can use pointers all throughout your presentation so that your audience can easily follow your discussion. So you can freely choose which color you want and which pointer do you want. This one is an eraser. So as an example, I chose this one, and this displayed a laser pointer. So I can use a laser pointer all throughout my presentation. So now if you are satisfied with your recording for that particular slide, then you can now proceed to the next slide and repeat the same procedure of recording until you are done with all the slides. Then click the X button here if you are done with the recordings. So now you are ready to save your file after recording. So just go to File, then go to Save As, then type the file name of your file. Then we have to save it in the MP4 format, so just click the drop down arrow in here. Then choose the MPEG-4 video for the MP4 format. Then finally, you can now save your file by clicking the Save button. Here is a short demo of what we just did. Please watch. Well done! Now you are ready to record your own presentation. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the subscribe and like button. See you in the next video.